hug her or something. Just don't talk to her.
Please, I need help. I don't know English.
Okay, well you can go ask somebody over there.
She probably can help us figure out what floor she's on.
Okay, let's go. Come on.
Sorry, I think this is her seat.
Yes.
Yeah, I think you're over here.
Seriously, you're gonna make me switch seats with her?
It's her seat. I mean,
There's two empty. Okay. Nope.
well,
Do
I mean,
it.
she paid for
We'll do
the
it.
seat.
Okay.
Can I help you guys with anything?
Honestly, the smell's getting pretty bad from over here.
I think
Hey,
sorry.
do you have any?
I don't know. I think I left
In that robe or something?
No, I'm sorry.
Of course she doesn't have any children. Look at her. What?
She's just trying to get back home. Leave her alone.
Okay, but we don't help her people.
She's just trying to get back. Just leave her alone. She's not doing anything.
Can I get you guys anything to eat?
I want to switch spots with her if that's okay.
I don't think you can because she did.
I wanted to sit with my friend.
But she paid for that seat, so ours.
So even though she's like that, she doesn't have to listen to the accommodations that I have.
She
No,
just
she paid for that seat, so
Okay.
would you guys like anything to eat?
Do you have any like pasta?
Yeah, I have pasta.
Oh, I'll take the
Do you have any like face masks?
No, I don't.
Or you should.
Would you guys like anything to eat?
What about COVID? Like, what
No,
about
we don't
COVID?
have
I mean, like, can you pull down the things or something? I can't.
No, that's only for the picture. Would you like anything to eat?
Do you have pasta?
Pardon?
Can you just switch me to another
I
seat?
can't hear you. Can you say that again?
I
Yeah,
think she's
of course
asking
you
if
can't
have
hear
any
her.
more pasta.
Oh, I gave the last to them. Would you like chicken?
No veg. I think she's vegetarian or vegan.
Are you vegetarian? Oh, I'm sorry. We're all out of everything.
Oh, okay, never mind.
Get her some beans.
Here's your pasta.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Are you sure you didn't want the chicken?
Oh, I vegan.
Okay.
Here, you can take.
You're lying.
Oh, yeah.
You're
Thank
giving her
you.
your pasta?
Yeah,
You're gonna inconvenience yourself and not have pasta so that
We can't like split, like you don't.
no. That means you gotta get the chicken, girl.
All right. Okay. So she's vegan.
Is there an issue?
Well, he took her pasta
I'll
anyway.
take
Oh, here's chicken.
She took. What? He took my
She
pasta.
doesn't deserve it.
Why?
Cause she.
The whole
It's a
ride, she's
disease.
just
She's a
inconvenient.
disease.
She's just inconvenient.
Much bigger deal.
She's making it an inconvenience the whole ride with the smell. My head is literally hurting.
She's just trying to like just enjoy the flight and they're making this a big deal.
Yeah, and
Why are you
where did
sticking
my
up for
food? I didn't even get offered any food.
So get
I,
more attention.
okay,
That's
well,
not your fault.
okay, you're telling me that this
She
lady is
deserves
more
food, but he
important
doesn't
than a
deserve food.
businessman?
No, I'm saying that she deserves what she wanted, and we can ask for something if he needs it.
She didn't
Okay,
ask for
well,
that. You
she
gave it
didn't
to
have
her.
the.
She asked for the pasta and they didn't have any more.
Hi, can I help you guys?
He took my pasta.
You know what?
She didn't order pasta.
You know
did
what?
she?
Yeah, but this young lady gave it up. Sir, if you really
I don't want that pasta anymore.
I don't want this
Sir,
pasta
you don't
either.
have to go to that.
Actually, yes, I do.
Pay for that. This is a flight. I
Yeah,
paid
but
for my
you-
ticket.
Yeah, but you also have to pay for
I'm
the
so
food
sorry,
that
ma'am.
you take.
Yeah,
So
the
now you
food
have
that
to
I've
pay.
taken, you're trying to give it to this woman.
But
You didn't
she,
even offer
she
me
got the
anything.
food.
Like,
you didn't ask. These ladies here asked.
ladies, and what about me?
You didn't raise your hand like they.
Raise
When I
it. What
came-
is this? Preschool?
When I came around, they asked for it. I asked them, and you could have chimed in.
Well, I'm never fond of you guys.
Neither am I.
I will get you a new one.
Here, you.
right. You can't just do that. She's a human being. Like, she shouldn't be treated this way, no matter her ethnicity or like anything that goes on. She shouldn't do this. So you see, she can't just have that happen to her. Hello? Yeah. Okay, yeah. So we're just at the corner, so when you get here, yeah, we're just, yeah? Okay. See you when you get here. Hi. Hi. So I just wanted to make sure that she got off with someone that she knew. You're the woman I spoke to on the phone, right?
Yeah, that's my
Okay,
mom.
perfect. Yeah, so while we were on the plane, there were some people being very rude to her, saying some pretty rude things, so I just wanted to make sure that there's someone here that she knew.
Ah, देख, इन्हें सोने बच्चा या आई, इन्हें food, oh स्वाद, she saved me.
Okay, well I do have to go. I have to go to a job interview, so
Are you looking for a job?
yeah, in like healthcare, something kind of like taking care of senior living.
Well, why don't you come and help me with my mom?
Really?
Yeah.
You looking for
Very,
someone?
very high pay.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much.